No, the one. You can go, it's green.
Brown, yeah.
Oh. Oh, now it's red. It's right there. It's the red building. Alright, this is a Red Barron Car Wash.
Here you go. Hey, the car wash.
It's a laser wash. Okay, oh, these are really good.
Oh, up on 24.
Yeah, it's a laser wash 360 and it has onboard dryers. Yeah, there's a 2 cars ahead. One of them is inside. I think at a time this was a DNS 5000 at a time. It looks like it recently got replaced. I'll stop it here for now because there are still 2 cars ahead. Alright,
Ultimate wash, $12.
Okay, you're gonna get the ultimate. There's your wash menu there.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Okay.
The $9.
$9. Okay.
Oh, so we're gonna, yeah, there's the 12. That's a good deal. The $12 one.
بعمل مرسيدس 12 وهيك عم بتصير.
هي لانه فيها بق.
طب سوي النوع 12 يعني؟
لانه هي زمان البق يعني نسوي 9 خلص.
هي الالتيميت واش في اوفر جلو 15 هي 12.
You have selected the ultimate car wash. Please deposit $12.
$12. هي بس نسيت معناتها بنعطيها بهاتك على $12.
ما بصير فيك بالكار.
Instant card, yeah.
Yeah, it takes a card. Oh, this is a
Please wait while
360
your
plus.
transaction is processed. If you would like a receipt, press refund now. Your purchase is complete. Please wait until the wash bay is empty.
Right, here we go. Oh, you didn't get the green arrow yet. Probably that was for the car to. No wonder, reverse it if you want the spray. Yeah, you have to go back. Yeah, the green arrow outside wasn't flashing. No, just reverse it.
Have to pay twice, man.
No, you don't have to pay twice.
I don't see nothing. Yeah, looks like you missed it.
You didn't know you didn't miss it.
Wait.
Oh, you did, yeah.
See, I told you.
Wait, did you? No, what?
No.
Go, now go. Yeah, now you can. You're good. Go, you're good. It's saying forward. Okay, stop. There you go, you did it.
Yeah, that smells good.
It does. is.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, I know. It's brand new too.
Very, very good.
Oh, here come the dryers. I know. Right. Yep, you can exit.
Done?
Yes.
Naima.
Naima.
That was a nice car wash. You're not gonna vac, you're just gonna go to the other house now. Okay.
Oh, wait, yeah.
That car just made the same mistake.
You could do the same. Same mistake, this one?
Yeah, they went in when the thing was still resitting, but that's it.